Hey there, if you've ever designed an email in Mailchimp and wondered how to get rid of that pesky underline on your text links, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove underlines from linked text in your Mailchimp campaigns. By the end of this tutorial, your emails will look cleaner, sleeker, and much more on brand, helping your message stand out for all the right reasons. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading to your Mailchimp campaign design. This means opening up the campaign you're working on from your main Mailchimp dashboard. You can do this by clicking Campaigns at the top, finding the specific campaign or draft you like to edit, and choosing Edit Design. If you haven't created a campaign yet, don't worry, you can create one quickly and jump right into the editor. The key thing is to get yourself to the point where you see the actual design of your email, the place where you can add blocks, edit text, and see a live preview of what your recipients will see. Once you're in the campaign design interface, find the section containing the text that has the link you want to adjust. Click directly into that text block to begin editing it. You might notice that Mailchimp underlines links by default. It's a design convention to help people recognize hyperlinks, but sometimes it just doesn't fit your brand style. That's completely understandable. Removing that underline can give your emails a much more modern and visually seamless look. Next, you'll want to select the text with the link. Just highlight the exact words that serve as your hyperlink. You can click and drag over the text with your mouse, or if you prefer, use your keyboard for more precision. Once the text is highlighted, look at the editing toolbar that appears at the top of the text block. You'll see options for bold, italic, and importantly an icon that looks like a U with a line underneath. That's your underline tool. Go ahead and click the underline icon. This might feel almost too simple, but it's actually all you need to do. When you click that button, you're toggling the underline formatting on and off. If the underline is active on your link, pressing it once will remove the underline from your selected text. Give it a second. Sometimes formatting takes a moment to catch up in the editor, depending on your internet connection or the complexity of your email design. Don't worry if you don't see the change instantly. If you've clicked it and the button no longer looks selected, you've done it right. Now your link will still be clickable for anyone who receives your email, but it won't have that underline underneath the words. Take one last moment to preview your email on both desktop and mobile, just to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. Sometimes, small formatting quirks can show up differently depending on the device, so it's always worth double-checking. And that's it, you've successfully removed the underline from your text link in Mailchimp. With just a couple of clicks, you've made your email layout look more polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further guidance. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering email design and other practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.